How to fix Spotify music not playing. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix this. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, what you should do, go to apps. On apps you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search now for Spotify. When you find Spotify, just open it like this and go to storage. Click on clear data, click OK, then go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.